Okay, to install GCam on the Redmi 13, all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and go into the Google Play Store. Then click on the search and input this phrase GCamator, because we are actually searching for this specific application from the Gran Turismo developer. So we have to install this application on our Redmi 13. And now we just have to wait for this downloading and installation process. It will actually take around a few seconds. Now we can finally open it. There we go. And now accept all of this permission. And as you can see, we can find information that camera to API model is enabled, which means that we can easily get the GCam, but it's actually not available right now on our smartphone because it's a few days after release of this phone. So we can actually get GCam for similar devices. And now it's actually looking for our font specs, but it doesn't find it. So we have to click here, then tap here, and now input this phrase Redmi. And whoopsie, I just closed the app. Let's open it one more time. And now we have to search for the latest version of the Redmi smartphone. So we've got Redmi 8 right here, but we are searching actually for the Redmi 12 or even 13C. Okay, it's from the 10C, and there's the GCam version 8.1. So we can try this one. We have to click to start download. Now we'll get this ad. So we have to just click X on the left upper corner, skip video, click X. And now just wait for the downloading process. Now it's finished, so we have to click install. If it doesn't work, you can just click OK. And now we have to open notification and get this file, the APK file. Now click on this Google Camera installation, click on the settings. Now allow install apps from this source. Then click I'm aware of possible risks. So click here, and after a few seconds you will be able to click on the right bottom corner to get it on the phone. So click here. Now click to install. Just wait for this installation process. Click open. If it doesn't work, just go here one more time and open it. Accept all of these permissions for the Google camera. Click done. And as you can see right now, it is finished and we can use GCam. And even we've got slow motion. So there's actually the function that is not available as a default on the Redmi 13. So let's actually try if it works. There we go. It was recorded. Now let's find out how it looks. We have to wait for the post-processing. There we go. Okay, it looks like it doesn't work, unfortunately. Let's try if we can adjust this. No, we cannot actually. So yeah, the GCam is working, but slow motion is not working because it's not slow motion at all on the smartphone. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.